All right, so this video is supposed to be live. Supposed to be live, but I do not have enough subscribers to actually have a live shoot. So let's just do it all in here. So basically, this video is supposed to be about what has been happening in the recent days, right? I've been taking the 4 hours fair value gap, as we all know, and no, it's been good and bad to an extent, right? So right here on the screen, I have my portfolio. Basically, my portfolio is out open for everyone to see, but I think I should just show it right from the application itself. So showing you guys directly from MT5, right? Because I get it from MT5. So gross profits and loss right here is currently at $61. About last week I was about 2% up. Now I'm back to 0.6% up. So you can see we started this whole thing at the beginning of this month. I think that was on 2nd of March. So let's say from March till date, right? From March. And if you look at March, if you look at this date, so this is 3rd. So from 3rd of March is when we started. You can see the account went so high. Remember, the purple one is the equity, the blue is balance. So this account went up to 1,256, and I have lost some certain trades, and it has gone down to $10,061, and it's still going up and down since then. So right here you can see the trades. I have a pending order set to this 4 hours fair value gap. I'm always locked on the 4 hours fair value gap, always locked on. I've not seen like real good opportunities, but I'm going to show you the different things I have taken. You can see all the trades has been GBPUSD orders as well. So 3 profitable trades and 2 unprofitable trades have left me this close back to break even. This close, actually break even for me is actually $9,800 if you remember. $9,808 something if you remember. But I'm still far away from break even. Even if I lose 3 trades, I am not at break even. That's what it means. So let's see, what are the trades I have been taking recently? It's been this, right? I took this sell trade, which ended up in loss. This was one of the loss trades, targeting 1.5 RR as usual. So this was the sell trade that went into loss. Excuse me, I had to clear my voice. For the buy trade that went into loss, so this was the buy trade that went into loss too. So these are the 2 losses I've had. Was it this? Was it this? I think it was this trade. Let's see. I think I got picked out of one. Excuse me. So there was a buy trade at 5:17 p.m. on 7th. Okay, so buy 5:17. On 7th. That's the trade. That is the trade. The trade kicked me in here. All right, so that is the trade actually, but that is the trade. So I got kicked into this trade around here. So I called in. I think I had my stop loss based on this point. So how come I got wicked out without getting big profit? I didn't even check this trade. To be frank, I did not check this trade. So let's say okay, you can see what happened. I remember this trade now. So right here is the trade. If you look carefully, I got so close to take profit right here. So close, very close. But it didn't fall through, and then price went down and ticked the stop loss. This other one, similar scenario. This one didn't even move at all, like it didn't even move. Then we had this fair value gap. You can see the pending order still waiting. I'll put in the wait for it. You can see aim for this and aiming for this. This is one of the trades. And for those of you who don't remember the trade that is currently running, right? The trade that is currently running. This trade has been running for quite a long time. So for me to track this trade, I need to turn this off, and remove this. So you can see when this trade started on 6th of March. Today is the 13th. We've been in this trade for days, right? Days, my brothers and sisters, days, all the way to this point, aiming for 1.5, somewhere around there. And this particular trade has been running, and most likely I don't really trust it. I won't lie, I'm not so trustworthy on this trade, but you can see it's right there, aiming for this high. If it makes it across that high, right? If it makes it across that high, I'll be happy, I'll be pleased. I want to check something. All right, you might have noticed the camera tilt a little bit, probably. It's me trying to make sure I'm getting a clear angle, like a good show from the camera angle. All right, so this has been GBPUSD 4 hours fair value gap test, taking every fair value gap we find there, right? I mean, remember what I said, if the market is really going in a particular direction for a long time, then I think the 4 hours is one of the best place. It's one of the sweet spots to just follow the trend. They will be pullbacks and then move up. So it's more like those pullbacks are more like losses you will take, but if you check it out, you shouldn't have way more losses than profit, because the market is always moving in long term, right? Now, on that same account, let's jump into S&D, right? Supply and demand. Supply and demand, I closed this trade this morning. Was it this morning or this afternoon? This afternoon. There was a trade here. You can see this trade right here. So I entered at about this point, and I closed it here. Because I think I was taking the analysis from my phone this morning, and I noticed something. Right? I noticed something that I did not observe the first time. I noticed on the daily, right? On the daily, this is actually a supply zone, right? And I'm actually trading from a daily supply zone, not a weekly, because this here, my dear friends, is a weekly supply zone. But following the accurate one, this is it. So price hasn't yet mitigated the dip, but it has mitigated the normal supply zone, not the preferred supply zone, the normal supply zone. And if I want to trade this, I should just trade short term. So that's what I'm just doing, waiting for the market to give me another confirmation. So I think I'll please show you the trade. So we ended up with $31 profit. So I'm waiting for the market to give me another good signal, right? Another good signal, because the next daily zone I see, trust me, is next daily zone I see is this one, which is literally this level. But I'm waiting for the market to do whatever it needs to do. If it's moving up or down, if it moves up, then I'll take a stance, right? I'll take a stance to aim for this zone. So it's going to be waiting for the market to do something like this, pull back, and then I'll aim for this. So it could be doing maybe something like this in its process. I don't mind, but all I'm looking for is just this to happen and a pullback, and then a show that it's about to push forward. Then I'll take a buy trade for this and head for the 197 mark, 197. So my dear friends and viewers, this is everything I have today. I know it's a very short video. I don't think it's really short, but I know it's a short video. This is what I see: GBPJPY and GBPUSD. That's the British pounds US dollar and the British pound Japanese yen. So I'll catch you all on another video, right? Catch you all on another video. Just wanted to give a quick update. It was supposed to be a live video, but I don't have 50 subscribers. So I'd like to say, if you're watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you can join me in this journey of trading, basically, and learning trading without having to pay for mentorships and the rest. You know, I don't have the money. If I did have the money, I would have done that long ago. So see you guys on another one. Peace out.